It's very rare to find institutions that actually offer such programs to which actually have a positive impact on the youth and actually enable us to gain experience which the same employers are asking for.
Hi there, my name is George Wachiuri, the CEO of Optiven Group, and we are extremely humbled during this year, the year 2019, because this is the year that we said as Optiven that we have to walk the talk, especially on the issue facing this nation of unemployment. And we decided as the board members of Optiven that we are going to introduce graduate mentorship in the year 2019 going forward. And this particular graduate mentorship, we are calling it the Optiven model of ensuring that our graduates, millions of graduates out there looking for jobs, they get an opportunity to work in our companies, to work in organizations, for them to be able to practice what they learn in school, and they can be able to practice in their place of work. And what we did is that we picked these graduates from across universities, and we had about 10,000 applications. Unfortunately or fortunately, we can only accommodate only 50 per year. And this particular time, I have 10 of them right here with me. And these are people, some of them have gotten first class. Others have got second class upper. And these particular students, they are enjoying the Optiven model, whereby if a graduate like Doreen here did human resource, she's working in the human resource department. Mr. Gadesha there, who did engineering, he is now able to visit the Optiven Group site to ensure that he gets practical experience of what other engineers that are more experienced are doing. Right now we have about over 10 graduates right here in this particular screen, and they are representing many other more out there, and they're going to tell us their name, the university they come from, what they are doing at Optiven, and maybe one thing they have liked. And later on, we shall be able to see how can we be able to tap more and encourage other organizations to do it. So we have an engineer here, and he'll be able to introduce himself. Go ahead.
My name is Stanley Gidesha. I'm working with Optiven Group as a mentee. I'm taking BSc Civil Engineering at Nairobi University, and I'm glad to be visiting all the sites and also Optiven Construction, where I can get first-hand knowledge on precast, cabros, concrete poles, and everything that is done with precast concrete.
How have you linked up the academics that you have learned from the University of Nairobi and what Optiven Construction is doing on the site? And are you able to implement some of the theories that you have learned in the University of Nairobi and the practicalities on the site?
Yes. I'm learning a lot. I'm practicing what I'm taught in class. I can see how the concrete is being cast, the tests being done, and also how the drawings are being interpreted on the field.
Wow, let's appreciate the engineer. Wow, fantastic. Job well done.
My name is Margaret Maniki. I'm an information science graduate from Kenyatta University. I'm a graduate mentee at Optiven Limited, and I'm happy to have this chance that I get to utilize my skills and what I've learned in school on a practical level.
Maybe, Margaret, one thing that you tell millions of graduates who are tamarking out there, do you have a word of encouragement, especially on applying these opportunities?
I'm happy to say that Optiven is an equal opportunity giver. I came and I was picked, I did the interviews and passed.
Fantastic. That means at Optiven, you don't need to know George Wachiuri, you only need to apply. We are equal opportunity employer, so we give opportunities across the board.
My name is Charles Mungai. I'm a graduate from Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. I graduated with a bachelor degree of Bachelor in Business and Information Technology, and I'm a graduate mentee here at Optiven, where Optiven is giving me the chance to be able to engage with the servers and go to the systems and be able to manipulate and also help clients and other customers so that they can get quality information and also quality service.
My name is Martin. I'm from Management University of Africa. I'm taking a degree in marketing management, and I'm in the sales department of Optiven.
Wow, Martin, what's the experience with the sales department so far?
Oh, for me, I love sales. I was able to get a chance to do what I'm passionate about, and it pays well because when a client becomes number one, and you are able to make sure that the client is happy, and the client is able to get the respect he deserves, and is treated well, and they're able to even get what they like. They're able to even become more passionate about whatever they have.
Let's appreciate Martin, please. Wow, thank you, Martin. Thank you, Martin. And if you're out there, these people are here with us for about 3 months. So if you're looking for somebody to sell your products, now you can talk to us. These people, we are exporting them. We are training them and exporting them. So Martin is ready to transform your organization, because here they learn about culture, they learn about performance, they learn about high performance culture, how to treat customers. And if you're out there, you're looking for somebody to move your company from level 1 to the next, these are fully baked. Just talk to us. We can be able to give you a good accommodation, and we are ready to export to your organization. Thank you.
My name is Vincent Kinara. I'm a graduate from Moi University with Linguistics, Media and Communication. I'm happy that I joined Optiven, a number 1 company in real estate. I'm in the PR and communication. I'm in Optiven because I didn't just know people so that I applied and then they linked me here, but it's because my competence and my skills, they landed me and a space to be a graduate mentee in Optiven.
Wow.
So I'm happy and excited that I got this opportunity. Now, I've been able to link what I did in campus with my job environment here. We are fully baked graduates, and we want to deliver to the society.
We have these graduates from different universities: Nairobi University, Management University of Africa, we have Kenyatta University, we have Egerton, we have all the universities, both private and public. And I can tell you, these guys are sharp. Let's use the skills that they have.
My name is Dominic Nguki. I'm a CPA finalist from Alpha College of Accounting. I'm also a recent graduate of the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, where I was pursuing Bachelor of Commerce Finance option. The only thing I can say about Optiven is a super brand. If you join Optiven, you are a winner. If you join Optiven, you get an opportunity to make the real transition from the class environment to the actual work environment. I'm trained as an accountant, so when I came at Optiven, I didn't know anybody. I did not know George Wachiuri, I did not know the accountants, I did not know anybody. So what I can say about Optiven is that Optiven is an equal employer. So we applied, we came for the interviews, and we qualified. So when I came at Optiven, I was posted to the Accounts/Finance department. In this department, I've been able to learn the things that happen in the real accounting environment. For instance, in schools, we just trial balance sheets, and prepare other financial statements of accounts. When it comes to Optiven, you find that there are systems. There are QuickBooks. You actually see how the things work. So you generate reports using systems. So for me, accounting, the knowledge I've been able to gain at Optiven is the best.
I think you have heard what Nzomo is talking about, that Optiven has given him an opportunity to be able to face the panelists on the interview. And I'm so proud to announce that when Nzomo was here in this particular organization, he got a chance to do an interview with the UN. And he was number 1 in that interview. And he will be leaving us in a few days to join United Nations. That means Optiven is a favored organization. And if you are out there, the place to look for something to do, especially for this graduate mentorship program, is Optiven. And for employers, if you are looking for somebody to join your team, talk to us. We are producing here and exporting, so that the more we export, the more we produce. And then, Nzomo, I'm very proud of you. And this guy has had a first class. So wacha mchezo bwana. These guys are sharp. Had a first class, CPAK, and he only needed some kind of panel beating And now he's a star. Doreen.
My name is Doreen Kanguha, a graduate from Makerere University, and currently pursuing a CHRP course, that is a professional course in human resource management at College of Human Resource Management, and a graduate mentee at Optiven Group. And what I can say, Optiven Group really has given me a chance to practice what I learned in school. Because realize that in class, you only learn theory, but the practical part of it, we don't know it. So when I joined Optiven, and under Human Resource and Admin Department, I've been exposed to so many HR practices, such as recruitment. You realize in class, when you're doing recruitment, it's just theory. There are procedures, just theory. But Optiven, and under my mentors in HR department, they've given me that opportunity to start from recruitment, like the first stage of recruitment, the last stage of recruitment, till the interviews. They even give you an opportunity to go to an interview and see how interviews are being done. So as an HR and I have passion in HR, and as someone who wants to grow in the same field, I can say Optiven really opened up my mind, and yeah, I'm going to achieve. And to those employers outside there, don't underlook those fresh graduates, because they have skills, fresh skills from school, and if you get them, the skills they learn in class, they bring them to your company, and trust me, you'll experience the difference.
Very good from Makerere University. Thank you, Doreen. And you can see that when you pick these, interns, don't just keep them at the reception. Put them to their respective departments so that they can be able to practice.
My name is Josephine Buvi. I am a recent law graduate from the Kenyatta University School of Law. I would like to say that Optiven is an equal employer. I didn't know anyone before I came to this institution. This is a wonderful opportunity that they have given us as recent university graduates. So it's very rare to find institutions that actually offer such programs which actually have a positive impact on the youth and actually enable us to gain experience which the same employers are asking for. I've been able to learn practically the skills and whatever happens within the process of transferring titles. In class, we would only learn about the various legislation relating to land and transfer of titles, but within Optiven Group, I have been able to witness, actually know the process of transferring titles and the various documents that are required when transferring titles.
My name is Margaret Oirimu. I was a student. I already graduated from Jomo Kenyatta University of Science and of Agriculture and Technology. I took Bachelor of Science in Statistics, so I'm a data analyst, data scientist, and I'm very privileged to be part of the graduate mentorship program at Optiven Group, a #1 brand company that socially and economically transformed the society. And this is evidence. It's really transforming us as youth. When I joined Optiven, I got an opportunity to work under the data analyst who is under the documentation department. I got to be able to learn the skills of analyzing data using different statistical packages. I really thank Optiven for that opportunity. And then I also want to encourage all the graduates out there. I want to tell you that after you finish your graduation, your first thing that you should keep in mind is building your experience. So don't look at the money, don't chase the money. Just work on building your skills. We are backed, you have full skills, but you also need the experience. So take the job that is there. And also, I also want to encourage all the companies out there that you should encourage youth, you should build us, and help us to develop our experiences. Thank you.
I'm Victor. I took a Bachelor's of Business in Information Technology in JKUAT. I'm a certified Cisco Network Associate from Kenyatta University and also worldwide. I have a passion in networking and programming, specifically front-end software engineering, Angular, and the Google DevOps. I'd like to urge all the companies to take the model that the open door policy, the model that Optiven is pushing, to also look at what are the challenges the youths are facing outside, which is not necessarily lack of skill, because there are skilled, very skilled programmers out there, and they just need that opportunity to build their skill and also somebody to mentor them and also to show them this is how it goes.
You have heard from the graduate mentees, and these are people that within the next couple of months, they are going to be ready to serve this nation. They are going to be ready to serve your organizations. You can be able to get in touch with us in case you want any of the skills on info@optiven.co.ke. We are appealing to 1.7 million registered companies in Kenya to open their doors for these particular graduates, that they are able to practice what they learn in the universities. And that's why for me, as George Wachiuri, I totally disagree that our graduates are half-baked. From my experience, the graduates, these ones you see here you are working with, they are baked. They know how to work, and they are doing exploits at Optiven. So you own a company out there, open those doors. These graduates, representing millions of others, they only require your company to open a door and give them work to do. This is the only way we can be able to diminish, to reduce unemployment, especially to these intelligent, sharp graduates.